India has just hit a new milestone, exporting mobile phones worth a record-breaking $20.4 billion in 2024. This huge leap, a 44% increase from last year, was powered mainly by Apple and Samsung responding to strong demand from the US, Europe, and Japan. Apple alone contributed a massive 65% of all smartphone exports, followed by Samsung at 20%. The remaining 15% came from Indian firms and re-exports. This growth makes India the second largest smartphone manufacturer in the world, right behind China. Apple's suppliers like Foxconn, Tata Electronics, and Pegatron played a key role, producing over 1 in 10 iPhones sold worldwide. Factories geared up production ahead of India's big festive seasons to meet both domestic and international demand. With the government's PLI scheme and global demand rising, India's mobile phone exports are only getting louder and stronger. The world is calling, and India's answering. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today or if you liked the video, give it a boom. See you in the next one.